Hi, Brainy Hackers. Do you want to pass the CPACE Performance Test on the first try? Then stick around because today I've got some super smart hacks to help you ace the school leadership assignment. Tip number 1, start with sentence starters. As soon as you open the test, don't panic. Start with sentence starters.
Why?
Because they'll keep your writing focused and clear. Try these. One strength is. The second strength is. An issue that negatively impacts student learning is.
The second issue is.
To promote improved student learning, I will bring together a team of. To address the second issue, I will. To monitor improved student learning. To monitor progress, I will. I would share results with the school community through. Trust me, having these ready is like having a cheat code for structured answers. Tip number 2, find strengths and problems in the memo. Next, go to the memorandum from the school site advisory council. That memo is a gold mine. Look for one strength and one problem that you can highlight. Don't overthink. It's usually right there in plain sight. Tip number 3, dig into the data. Now comes the fun detective work. Check the student demographics, faculty data, perception surveys, and test results. Here's what you're hunting for. A strength like improved math scores. A problem like low English learner test scores, high suspension rates, or negative parent perception. Boom! You now have your second set of strengths and issues. Tip number 4, build your plan like a leader. Finally, put it all together. Write down both strengths and both problems. For each problem, suggest a clear strategy to fix it. Name the team members you bring in, teachers, parents, counselors, community partners. Explain how you'll monitor progress, think, assessments, surveys, data checks. And of course, how you'll share the progress with the school community, newsletters, meetings, parent nights. And that's it. Keep your answers structured. Tie everything back to student learning, and you'll be on your way to passing the CPACE Performance Test on your very first try. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brainy Hacks for more smart strategies to level up your leadership journey.